There it sits, perfectly still, upon a trembling leaf, a silent emerald sculpture come to life. Many people who wander through a garden might overlook it entirely, mistaking it for just another part of the plant. Yet, upon closer inspection, a strange and wonderful creature reveals itself. Its front legs are folded neatly, as if clasped in a moment of deep and solemn prayer. This iconic posture gives the praying mantis its name, creating an image of peace and tranquility. It is a memorable sight, one that suggests a gentle and contemplative spirit dwelling amongst the flowers and the buzzing of bees. This serene appearance makes it one of the most recognizable insects in the world. But this peaceful pose is a masterful deception, a clever disguise that masks one of nature's most efficient and ruthless hunters. The predator in prayer is not meditating on the beauty of the garden. It is waiting, with infinite patience, for its next meal to wander carelessly into its grasp. That pious stance is, in reality, a state of perfect readiness, with its formidable weapons coiled and prepared to strike in less time than it takes to blink. The contrast between its saintly appearance and alien form. The anatomy of a hunter. To truly understand the praying mantis, one must look closely at its specialized body designed to hunt. Like all insects, its body is divided into three parts: head, thorax, abdomen. But it is the head that first captures our attention. Strikingly triangular, perched on a flexible neck, it can rotate 180 degrees. This lets the mantis scan for predators and prey without moving its body. Two huge compound eyes dominate the head. Stereoscopic vision lets it judge distance, essential for timing a lightning-fast strike. Moving down, the thorax, anchor for legs and wings, forelegs, not for walking, instead, powerful raptorial limbs, folded, prayer-like, extended, formidable weapons, legs lined with rows of sharp spines, interlocking like a steel trap. When a victim is caught, the spines prevent escape. The thorax also supports two pairs of wings, but not all species can fly. Many, especially larger females, have small wings or use them for threat displays. The long segmented abdomen houses digestive and reproductive organs. Color is key for camouflage. Most species vibrant green, others mottled brown, blending with leaves and twigs. Tropical species mimic colorful flowers, dried leaves, even ants, deceiving prey and predators. Size varies. The smallest are under 1 centimeter, preying on aphids and other tiny insects. The largest, like the Chinese mantis, can exceed 12 centimeters, tackling bigger prey. Praying mantises are remarkably adaptable, found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in temperate and tropical climates with year-round insect prey. Their preferred homes are places rich with vegetation where camouflage excels. Gardens, meadows, grasslands, dense forests. A green mantis clings to stems or leaf undersides, nearly indistinguishable from foliage. A brown mantis perches on dead branches or dried leaf litter, perfectly disguised. Spectacular orchid mantises of Southeast Asia mimic flowers so convincingly that bees and butterflies land upon them, seeking nectar and meeting a swift end. Ground-preying species haunt the forest floor. Pollinator hunters take positions high on flowering shrubs. People often find them on rose bushes, tomato plants, or window screens. A happy accident. The stick you were watching looks back. Their habitat is sanctuary against birds, lizards, spiders, and bats. Threatened, a mantis may rear up and spread its wings to appear larger, flashing colorful eye spots, and even hiss by expelling air from abdominal spiracles. Often enough to deter an attacker. Well, that is the habitat and camouflage. The praying mantis is the quintessential ambush predator, a master of patience and explosive action. Its strategy is to sit perfectly still, sometimes for hours, adding a gentle sway to mimic leaves and twigs. This lulls nearby insects into a false sense of security. Movement is the trigger. Its compound eyes detect the slightest motion. When a fly, bee, or grasshopper enters its strike zone, about 1 body length, the mantis instantly calculates trajectory and timing. In a blur, the front legs shoot forward and snap shut around the prey. The strike can take as little as 50 to 70 milliseconds. a perfect economical movement honed by millions of years of evolution. Once secured in the spined grip, the mantis eats immediately, often while the prey is still alive, typically starting with head or neck, using strong mandibles to incapacitate. A sobering reminder of the food chain's brutal realities. Beyond hunting, mantises are solitary. They meet mainly to mate, a dangerous affair for the male. Sexual cannibalism during or after mating is well documented, though it varies in the wild. After mating, the female lays a frothy mass that hardens into an ootheca, protecting dozens to hundreds of eggs through winter. The mantis diet is varied but unwavering, almost entirely living prey. Mantises are obligate carnivores. They must eat other animals. Their staple prey are other insects and arthropods. Newly hatched nymphs begin with aphids, fruit flies, and leafhoppers, fuel for rapid growth and molts. As they grow, so does their prey: crickets, grasshoppers, moths, butterflies, bees, wasps. If it moves and can be overpowered, it's on the menu. They are also cannibalistic. Larger mantises may prey on smaller ones. Voracious appetites make them valuable allies to gardeners as natural pest control. Largest species sometimes tackle small vertebrates, tiny tree frogs, small lizards like anoles, even hummingbirds, rare but documented. These ambushes usually happen at flowers or feeders. Such feats reveal their audacity, apex predators in a miniature ecosystem. Some species occasionally consume pollen for nutrients or moisture when prey is scarce. A footnote, not a habit. At its core, the mantis is and always will be a hunter. Anatomy, behavior, existence. The world of the praying mantis is full of strange truths. A mantis is the only insect that can turn its head 180 degrees, looking directly over its shoulder, giving an almost 360-degree field of awareness. They have excellent depth perception and 3 simple eyes, ocelli, that sense light and shadow. These help detect dangers above, like a bird's descending shadow. Their unique form of 3-dimensional vision helps gauge distance before striking. The ootheca, whipped from foamy secretions, hardens into a protective shell holding dozens to over 200 eggs. In spring, tiny nymphs rappel down on silken threads. Some flying mantises evolved a single ear in the chest tuned to bat ultrasound. On detection, they dive, loop, and spiral, a silent aerial war against bats. In the end, the mantis embodies intricate beauty and brutal efficiency, a profound duality, an icon of patience and serenity that invites us to slow down. Yet beneath the calm, a perfectly evolved killer, a generalist predator balancing insect populations, natural pest control in gardens and farms, an indicator of biodiversity and a food source for other animals. If you encounter one, simply watch. Observe its stillness, appreciate its alien form, respect its role as a silent hunter. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal videos.